what? Clean world. In this chapter you are reading about the pollution. You have read about air pollution and water pollution. Today you will know about land pollution. So how land is polluted? Land pollution is a mixing of harmful substance to the soil. How we are doing the land pollution? We are throwing our garbage near our houses or near the land, and we are polluting our land. Yes, dumping the garbage in one place and polluting our land. Throwing plastic, everything in the soil, and we are polluting our land. So here you are seeing that land pollution is a mixture of what? Harmful substance to the soil. It is a mixture of harmful substance to the soil. Factories, water also we are throwing on the land also. So it is all this harmful substance which are mixing in the soil, that is only polluting our land. That is known as what? Land pollution. So what you have to do here? Domestic and industrial wastes are dumped on the land, thus polluting it. How we are polluting it? Our domestic home using thing and industrial things we are dumping on the land. We are dumping on the land and we are polluting it. So this land pollution you have to prevention. What are the prevention of the land pollution? What are the prevention of the land pollution? Disposal of waste has become a big problem. This disposal, what we are doing, throwing the things here and there, that is becoming our daily life. That is the big problem, especially in the cities and towns. So what we have to do? We have to follow some rules. So each one of us can do our bit of following way. So we can protect our land by following some rules, some way we can use and we can protect our land. So how land is polluting? Land is polluting by a mixing of harmful substance to the soil. Yes. So our domestic and industrial wastes we are dumping on the land and we are polluting it. Prevention of the pollution. Now what you have to do? There are some prevention of the pollution. So disposal of waste has become a big problem. This disposal of waste, it is become a big problem, especially in the city and in the town. Where it is big problem? In the city and in the town. Each one us have to take some step. We have to follow some way to protect our land from polluting. So what way we will use there? So we have to use unleaded petrol or CNG in vehicle. Thus these are eco-friendly fuels. What you have to use? We have to use unleaded petrol or CNG. For protecting our land, we have to use, we only take the step to protect our land. So we can use unleaded petrol or CNG. Why? Because these two are eco-friendly fuel. This is an eco-friendly fuel. So petrol and CNG we can use in our vehicles. Okay. Next one, what you are seeing, that garbage not to be dumped around our houses. So our household garbage are there. It should not be dumped around our houses. What we are doing in our houses, garbage we are taking out and outside only we are dumping it. So it should not be done. Why? to save our land. We have to save our land. We have to reduce our pollution. How you will reduce your pollution, our pollution, what we are doing? To retain the beauty of planet, to keep the beauty of the planet Earth, we need to reduce pollution. We need to reduce pollution. Okay? Next one, what you are seeing, that factory chimney should be fitted with filters. Factory chimney should be fitted with filters. Why? Because so the smoke's release does not cause pollution. If filter will be there, smoke will come out from the factory, it will not pollute that area. Yes. So what you have, this prevention you have to prevent for pollution. Okay, what prevention you have to do? So for protect us from the pollution, you have to use unleaded petrol or CNG in your vehicles. Why? Because these two gas, CNG, petrol and CNG, these are the eco-friendly. So garbage should be not householding garbage which we are taking out from the houses. It should be not be dumped around your houses, and factory chimney should be fitted with filter, so the smoke will come and it will not pollute our area, that area, and reduce pollution. To reduce the pollution, what you have to do? To keep the beauty of our earth, our planet, what we have to do? We have to reduce the pollution. Next one, reduce the production of waste by reusing, recycling and reducing. So what you have to do here? You have to reducing, recycling and reusing. Reduce the production of waste by reusing, reducing and recycling. Understood? So these all steps we have to do to protect our area from pollution. Yes. So disposal of waste have become a big problem in cities and towns. Where it has become a big problem? In big cities and towns. So we only have to take the step to protect us from a pollution. Understood? So what you have learned today? Today you have learned about the land pollution. So what is the land pollution? Land pollution is a mixing of harmful substance to the soil. What is